Well, my son, Captain Donnie Benbow, gave me a call. I was about 10 minutes away. I already had my boat on the dad. Said, Dad, got a big permit. Says, come on down, watch me fight it. And here we are. What, 30 minutes later, you're still fighting it, Donnie?
Yeah, about 35.
Awesome. What kind of rod are you using there?
7-foot Airwave.
Yep, the Tsunami, the new ones we just got?
Yep.
They're badass, aren't they?
Will do the job.
Yeah, you've been on this fish for at least 30 minutes. We got the Hell's Bay right next to the Ranger boat. And hopefully we'll get this one in for a nice picture and a even nicer release. Coming behind you here. That's a nice fish. Okay, you better step over. What do you got, 10-pound line on there?
Yep, 10-pound line with 15-pound monofilament.
What did he eat, a crab or a shrimp? What did he eat?
He ate about a quarter-size blue crab on a size 2.0 hook.
Yeah, there he goes again. Now he's rolling. What can I do to help you? Stay out of the way?
Trim the motors up a little bit.
Trim my motor up?
Yeah.
Got my new Mercury 150 4-stroke on. Awesome. Just put this on last week. You want to net him or are you just going to grab him?
Nah, I think we'll just grab him.
Boy, he is not done, is he? Well, if you guys ever want to try this, it should start getting good now. Here we're end of February, March, April, May, June, and into the fall. Calm days for permit, Florida Keys. And here we are in Islamorada. skinsandfinscharters.com.
You want to come over here and get a look at him?
Yeah. Come over, take some pictures. Uh-oh. He ain't done yet, is he?
No, not quite.
That's a lot of torque on that rod.
Coming around.
Big permit. Look at him.
Big old head on him.
Look at him. Can't even fit him in the screen.
Buddy.
Big one. Yeah, you're gonna have to grab him by the tail, bro.
Grab the rod.
Grab the rod?
Grab the rod. Hold on to it. Come here, big dude. Oh.
Don't hook yourself, bro.
Put the bail loose. All right. There he is.
That's how it's done right there, huh?
Yeah. It's a good fish right there.
Yeah, it is. I can't get them all on the screen.
Let me back up a little bit.
Yeah. All right. Let's take some
fish.
pictures, bro.